Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this polarized or kind of oversaturated noise glow effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I already have my clip right here. I'm gonna go to our bottom left of our timeline, right click, go to new, and create our first adjustment layer. It's gonna be right above our clip. Then for the first effect I'm gonna add, it's gonna be noise, and you want to go to noise and grain and drag in noise. Turn off use color noise. We're gonna increase our noise to 20, and then we're gonna close out our noise menu right here. Then for the next effect I'm gonna add posterize, head stylize, drag and posterize, and then we're gonna drag this level all the way down to around 2 or maybe 3. Close out our menu right here, and then for the next effect it's gonna be add grain. Drag that in, go over here to viewing mode and put on final output. Put our intensity at 2, close out our menu, go all the way down here, go to stylize and glow, drag it in, and it's going to give us a nice glowing effect right here, but we're actually going to increase our radius all the way up to 50. So yeah, I'm going to close out our glow menu, and if you don't really like how oversaturated or deep-fried this effect looks like, you can go ahead and increase our posterize level right here, just a bit. I think 2 is the best level, you know, it gives us a nice kind of a grunge look right here. We still have this glowing effect, and it still has this kind of noise and speckles right here. Save our project so we don't lose this effect we just made. And yeah, that is how I create this kind of a grunge posterized noise glow effect in After Effects.